Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check the overall health of the battery on the iPhone, and I'm also give you a few tips on how you can improve its performance as well. So to check the health of the battery on the iPhone, you just need to go to the settings, then scroll down until you see battery, tap on that, and then you see battery health. So here you'll see what it says maximum capacity. That's the percentage, or that's the number that really matters, and that's what you should be looking for. As you can see here, it says 85%, which means that this battery on my iPhone is still at 85% capacity. In other words, imagine when it's new and you can watch, let's say, 10 hours of video playback. Now you can only watch until 8.5 hours until you discharge the battery. It's still quite good, huh? Anything above 80, I would say it's pretty well. Then why you want to check the health of the battery? Well, let's say that you're buying a used iPhone, so you want to check it first and make sure the battery is still running properly. Or your phone might be discharging too fast, so after 3-4 hours using it, it's already draining the battery. Then you might want to check if it's something about the capacity issue, the health, or it's something maybe related to some apps that is eating up the battery. So if I go back here to battery, you can also see which are the applications that are usually consuming all or most of the powers on the battery. So here, as you can see, I'm using quite a lot: Instagram, Facebook, Chrome. So those are the apps that are consuming the battery. Okay, now I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can maximize or improve the capacity on the battery on your iPhone. The first thing you want to do is make sure this option here, this feature called optimize battery charging, is selected. Make sure you enable it. In this way, the phone will perform the charging routine based on how often you use it, how often you charge it, to make it more efficient. And this will reduce the aging on the battery. So highly recommended, that you enable this option. The second thing is do not wait until the iPhone is discharged completely until you put the charger on. That's because once the battery or the phone is dead because it drains out the battery, you are risking that it's going into a deep discharge mode, which will damage the battery, and also you might not be able to hold any charge anymore on the battery. So do not wait. If you're running out of battery, you have 10-15%, put the charger in. It will not harm the battery if you charge it a few times a day. You don't need to charge it until 100%, like I mentioned. The iPhone will determine the best charging behavior based on how you charge it every day. So that's a very important one. Last but not least, if you're not going to use the iPhone for an extended period of time, like say a few weeks or even a few months, do not store it, or you should always turn it off manually first, but don't store it with a really low or really high charge percentage. Why? Because if you store it with 100% battery charge, over time it will lose the capacity. Likewise, if you store it with 10-15%, then you're running the risk that it will go into the deep discharge mode, like I mentioned before. So Apple recommends to charge it until 50%. So 50% should be, let's say, the benchmark. So that's it. Those are a few tips that hopefully would help you improve the overall performance of the battery. Give us a comment below, and let us know if you have any other tip that can help improve the battery performance on the iPhone. And please do not forget to like our video and subscribe to the channel and support us. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.